Karma is a reminder that every action has consequences. What you give to the world, good or bad, always it finds a way back to you. Speak kindly, act honestly, and live with purpose. Because the energy you put out is the energy it returns. Life watches in silence, but karma always speaks. कर्मा म्हणचे एक सुचोन आसा. कितें कोचें तें ताका परत येतलो. बरें कर, बरी वाट घे आनी चिंत करून जिवो. कारण जिवाक दिलेलें कित्याक समजतलें तुमचेर वेवूंक जाता. जीव कामतेलो आसा पूण कर्मा कित्याक विसरोता. Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, Mogazu.